Hi students, welcome to Preparation Info for Pharmacology GPAT 2021 Part 6. In this video, I am going to discuss about 10 multiple choice questions with answer. Question number 51. The passage of drugs into the fetus from placenta, A is by active transport, B is by passive diffusion, C is by carrier mediated transport, D by any of the above methods. The right answer is by passive diffusion. Placenta is an organ that develops in uterus during pregnancy that transport nutrients and oxygen from the mothers to fetus. Active transport means the drug molecules moves from the lower concentration to higher concentration. Passive diffusion means the drug molecules moves from the higher concentration to lower concentration. Carrier mediated transport means the movement of drug molecules across the membrane such as blood-brain barrier and GIT mucosa. Question number 52. Phocomelia is a known teratogenic effect of A. Anti-cancer drugs, B. Antiviral drugs, C. Anti-epileptic drugs, D. Thalidomide. The right answer is thalidomide. Phocomelia is a congenital disorders that develop a very short limbs in fetus, that is, hands or feet are very closely attached to the trunk. Thalidomide is a synthetic derivative of glutamic acid. It was developed in 1950s by German pharmaceutical companies. It is used to treat the nausea and morning sickness in pregnant women. In 1961, this thalidomide leads to a serious teratogenic effect of phocomelia. Question number 53. Passive diffusion of a drug across cell membrane is low when its molecular mass is greater than A. 50 to 100 Dalton, B. 100 to 200 Dalton, C. 200 to 300 Dalton, and D. 300 to 400 Dalton. The right answer is 100 to 200 Dalton. Passive diffusion is normally limited to molecules. Molecular weight does not exceed 500 Daltons. If the molecular size is below 100 Dalton, the passive diffusion of the drug across the cell membrane is high, and when the molecular size more than 200 Dalton, the passive diffusion of a drug across cell membrane is low. Question number 54. pH differences between extracellular and intracellular fluid is A. nil, B. 0.2, C. 0.4, D. 0.8. The right answer is 0.4. The intracellular fluid pH is 7 and the extracellular fluid pH is 7.4. So the difference between 7 minus 7.4, 0.4. Question number 55. In gene transfer, which metal particle is often used? A. Iron, B. Gold, C. Platinum, D. Molybdenum. The right answer is gold. Gene transfer through a gene gun is a part of the biolistic method. During this method, DNA or RNA adheres with gold to form a DNA particle complex. This complex is bombarded on the targeted tissue to produce the effect. Question number 56. Acidic drugs mostly bind to plasma. A. Albumin, B. Globulin, C. Glycoprotein, D. None of the above. The right answer is albumin. In albumin, acidic and neutral drugs are bind with albumin. Once the albumin is saturated, then the acidic and neutral drugs are bind with lipoproteins. Basic drugs are bind with Al acid glycoproteins. Question number 57. Biological half-life of is calculated as A. T of 0.693 into Cl divided by Vd, B. T of 0.693 into K divided by ln2, and C. T of 0.693 into Vd divided by Cl, and D. T of 0.693 into ln2 divided by K. The right answer is T of 0.693 into Vd by Cl. Vd means volume of distribution and C means clearance. Question number 58. Hippocrates is known as A. Father of medicine, B. Father of pharmacognosy, C. Father of polypharmacy, and D. Father of pharmacology, E. Father of experimental medicine. The right answer is Father of medicine. Father of pharmacognosy and polypharmacy is Galen. Father of pharmacology Oswald Sieberg, and father of experimental medicine Gerd Bernard. Question number 59. Oxycets are A. Placed under the eyelid, B. Intrauterine contraceptives, D. Monoclonal antibodies, D. None of the above. The right answer is placed under the eyelid. Oxycets are plastic membranes about 1/3 of the size of the contact lens. They are placed under the eyelid. Question number 60. The Ames test is method for detecting A. Carcinogenesis in rodents, B. Carcinogenesis in primates, C. Teratogenesis in any mammalian species, D. Mutagenesis in bacteria. The right answer is mutagenesis in bacteria. Ames test is a biological assay to assess the mutagenic potential of chemical compounds of bacteria. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and comment and share. We will meet again.